Itong mga babies na to, nag-ready na kasi alam nila bibigyan ko sila ng food. O, alam na nila yung oras ko. Alas 10. Oy, Leo. Wait. See this one? This is very naughty. Hey, come here. Come. Pumasok na yung isa sa loob. Napaka-naughty. Come here, Leo. I don't want to give you food. Leo! Shh! Come here. See what he's doing. You're naughty. Come. I will give you food now. Leo. You don't like? Ayun siya, guys. Sa loob. You don't like to come? You don't want to eat? Huh? Come here. Eee. Come out. Come out. Paborito kasi nila to, guys. Yung dreamies. You don't want to come out? Kalas, I will not give you food. Pero meron na akong food dito, guys. Ayan, lalabas ko. Come na, come. Come here. Come out. Come. Napaka-naughty mo talaga. No more na silang food. Ay nako, di ba kayo pinakain kanina? Oh, Snowy. Favorite to ni Snowy, guys, yung dreamies. So, enjoy your food for now. Alas na, okay? Oh, enjoy both of you. Okay. Bye. Enjoy. I will work now again.